How to log out from Fire Kirin app. First of all, open the Fire Kirin app and make sure you are on the home screen. Now instead of searching for a direct logout button, simply close the app using your device app switcher. You can do this by tapping on the recent apps button or the three vertical lines depending on your device. Once the app switcher is open, find the Fire Kirin app window and swipe it up to fully close the app. After that, open the app again. When it loads, you will see the sign in options on the screen. You will be asked whether to sign in with Facebook or sign in as a guest. This means you have successfully logged out and the app no longer holds your previous session. This method clears your current login session without needing a dedicated logout button. It's helpful when switching between accounts or just wanting a fresh start. Now you know how to log out from Fire Kirin app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.